Hi, good day. I am Sherry Bringas Campos. I am 38 years old. I am married. I have two kids, 18 years old and 10 years old. My work experience, I worked before in Qatar, taking care of two kids and 12 adults, 2010 to 2012. And 2016 to 2022, I was in Hong Kong. I took care of three kids, four adults, pets, dogs, and cats. And I have experience also taking care of elderly. As currently I'm here in Saudi Arabia, I taking care of a autistic boy and one teen and four adults also. My skills, I can take care of newborn, elderly, teens, toddlers, any job will do. And about cooking, I am a quick learner because all of my work I'm not focused in cooking, but I do basic cooking. My personality, I am a jolly person. I can communicate, I can manage. I am a happy person. Um, I can work with co-workers or alone. It's not a problem with me. Any job, any vacant job, I will do. Taking care of newborn, elderly, teens, toddlers, adults. It's not a problem with me. So I hope you can choose me. Thank you so much.